Good morning, children. Are you all ready for the video class? Yes, grade 5 social. We are seeing our fifth chapter about Saudi Arabia. Yes, in Asia we have two hot deserts, the Arabian desert and the Thar desert. Saudi Arabia, it is a part of Arabian desert. In the previous class we saw about location of Saudi Arabia, climate and vegetation of Saudi Arabia and relief features. And then animals found in desert region is the camel. It is the most common animal that found in desert region, and it is very useful animal for the people to move from one place to another place in that region. Yes, today we are going to see the remaining part of our fifth chapter. Is occupation of people. There are two types of people, one who live in towns and cities. There are two types of people in Saudi Arabia. One type of people, they live in towns and cities, and other type of people, they live in villages. The people in villages still lead a traditional life. They do not live permanently at one place. In the village, people, they lead a traditional life, and they do not have a permanent place to live. They keep flocks of camel, sheep and goat. They keeps number of animals like camel, sheep and goat, and they move from one place to another along with their animals in search of food for their animals, that is in search of pasture. Yes, they will move from one place to another place in search of food for their animals and food for them also. And then, do you know the sheikh is the head of an Arab family, village or tribe? The sheikh, he will be the head of an Arab family or village or a tribe. Is in the desert area, there are people who do not have a permanent house and move from place to place with their belongings. They are called nomads. See, already we saw that in village side, the people, they do not have a permanent place to live, and they move from one place to another place with their belongings. Those people, they are called as nomads. The Bedouins are the most important and notable among all nomads in the Arabian desert. See, the Bedouins, they are most important and notable among all nomads in the Arabian desert. They are a type of people, they are a type of nomad who move from one place to another place in search of food for themselves and for their animals also. And then life of Bedouins. They keep camels whose milk they drink. They use skin and hair of the camel for cloths and shoes. See, the Bedouins, they keep camel and then they will drink the camel's milk, and they will wear the camel's skin and hair as the cloth and shoe. And then they move or travel on camels in long rows called caravans. See, the Bedouins, they move from one place to another place along with the camel in a long rows is called caravans. They have to work hard for their livelihood. They exchange animals and goods. Changing life. The Bedouins' way of life is changing. As nowadays they started to living in a permanent place, and they have a touch with the modern world. Now they have started living in a permanent place, permanent life, and are in touch with the modern world. Saudi Arabia is one of the biggest producer of petroleum in the world. Saudi Arabia, it is one of the biggest producer of petroleum in the world. Petroleum has changed the life of the people in Saudi Arabia. Almost its entire income comes from the export of crude oil. Most of the developed countries buy petroleum from Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, it is one of the biggest producer of petroleum, and most of the developed countries, they buy petroleum from Saudi Arabia. See, because of crude oil, the life of people in Saudi Arabia have changed. See, and then people in town works as businessmen, traders, officials and workers in factories. They enjoy all the modern facilities and are connected with the rest of the world through trade. Yes, the people in towns, they work as a businessmen, traders and officials, and then they enjoy all the modern facilities, and they were always connected with the world through trading. Saudi Arabia has developed its industries: petroleum refineries, petrochemicals, fertilizers, cement and iron and steel industries are important industries of Saudi Arabia. These are the important industries of Saudi Arabia. And then dress. Saudi men wear long loose cotton robes called tawab. See, they will wear different types of clothes. See, look at the picture. It is a Saudi Arabian couple. They protect their head from the sun and dust by a head covering called gutti. See, look at the picture. They were covering everything. Only their eyes are they are showing, the women, and then the men only the face is showing. Yes, women wear long robes called abba and cover their faces with a veil. Important cities of Saudi Arabia. There are two types of cities found here. First one was old and religious, and second one new and modern cities. There are two types of cities, old and religious, and then another one was new and modern cities. The new cities have all modern facilities like good transport system, educational institution, modern buildings and hospitals. Religious city of Mecca and Medina. Mecca, it is the holiest center of pilgrimage for the Muslims. It is the desire of every Muslim to visit this holy city. It is associated with the founder of Islam, Prophet Muhammad. See, Mecca, it is one of the holiest center of pilgrimage for the Muslim, and it is the desire of every Muslim to visit this holy city. And Medina, it is also another religious center for pilgrimage. And then modern city of Jeddah and Riyadh. Riyadh, it is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Is among new and modern cities, Riyadh and Jeddah, they are worth mentioning. Jeddah, it is a port on the western coast along the Red Sea. It is one of the busiest port of this region. Jeddah, it is one of the busiest port of this region, airport. And then Riyadh is the capital and modern city with skyscrapers, parks, markets, hospitals and shoes. Riyadh, it is schools. It is the capital of Saudi Arabia and modern city. It has lots of parks, markets, hospitals and schools. And then the efforts made by Saudi Arabian government has resulted in the barren desert areas in Saudi Arabia becoming lands of prosperity. Saudi Arabia is a monarchy, which means that the king is the head of the country. Yes, because of the lots of effort that done by Saudi Arabian's government, it resulted in the becoming a land of prosperity. Is because Saudi Arabia, it is a desert area. Because of lots of effort by Saudi Arabian's government, the land it becomes as a prosperity. Saudi Arabia, it is a monarchy rule. Monarchy rule means the country which ruled by a king. Yes, the head of the country will be king. Yes, that's all. A lesson was over, children. Now down your homework. Explain the occupation of people in Saudi Arabia. Which is the capital of Saudi Arabia? What do you mean by the term monarchy? Who is the head of the Arab family? Who are Bedouins? Read the lesson fully and write the answers properly. Yes, thank you, children. We will meet in the next class.